connected.
Ready to go for a rip? Alright then, let's do it. I guess we got both lanes. Yeah, this is going to be some fun. Woo! Ah. We're leaving our mark here. Yeah, just stay safe. I love it. There's a nice little straightaway, man. Let's rip up some wheelies. Let's go. So fun. Hey, get it. Come up on your left. Yeah. Come on, backing in. Let's roll some stoppies right here. Yep. Oh man, it likes to roll downhill. Alright, set it down. Right there. Yeah. Oh, worth it for this view. So sick. Yeah. That's a good day of riding right there, for sure. No, this is living, man.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.